Hello guys, I'm Praveen. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing unboxing this iPhone 7 32GB Black Edition. It is refurbished. I brought this from Yantra retail apps. The price is only 11,000 rupees and it is 150 US dollar. For the shipping, it does takes 5 days to get and it was really fast shipping. This is not the original box because it is a pre-owned device. As you can see, here is the Yantra logo in this nice box. Okay, let me go ahead and open up for you guys so you can see how it looks like. Yantra retail apps is a new app, so it do have some bug. After I did payment, it didn't show up on my order section. So if you are having same issues like me, then here's how I fix. Do message on Yantra Instagram account, it will fix by them. It does have some scratch on this back side, as you can see, some little sign of use phone. Okay, let's look at another side. The bottom looks not so well. It does have a big scratch. It is noticeable, so I'll use the back cover. The buttons are actually fine. The volume button, the silent button, and also the power button. There is no issue. It is good to go. I'm gonna actually put this up and see what we get. And one thing you might already know that this phone comes with no accessories. That is because of this cheap price point, and you have to buy separately. Separate accessories like charger, headphone. It will gonna cost you around 1,000 rupees. It's a used iPhone, so I don't have to do a setup process. It is ready to use. It looks pretty nice. I don't see any scratches or anything on the front display. I don't know if you guys can see any scratches or not. I don't see any scratch. I do already check, like it doesn't have any iCloud account lock, so I think it is good to go. So let's talk about this camera. It is 12 megapixel in the back, 7 megapixel in the front, FaceTime high definition camera with 1080p video resolution, and I can shoot this camera with 4K up to 30 frames per second from this rear camera. It is pretty impressive. As you can see, this camera captures a lot of details. Even if I zoom the image, it didn't reduce the image quality. Even if it's a refurbished phone, I love the camera mainly. I noticed something that when I do multitasking on this phone, the battery life is a little bit consumed, so that's the one I don't like. But one thing, if you are planning to buy this iPhone 7, I recommend buying from Amazon because it does have a 15 days return policy. If you have any kind of issues with it, then you can return. And for this phone, Yantra didn't have a return policy, and also you can get this iPhone 7 in a cheap price on Amazon. So check out, I'll put the affiliate link to buy. Please do buy from my link. It will gonna help me a little bit. Thank you guys for watching. Please consider like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next time.